The world of content creation is changing fast. Every day, new technologies are emerging that transform the way we create and consume content. From social media posts to full-length feature films, the landscape is evolving at an unprecedented pace. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is leading the way. It's not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that's revolutionizing the industry. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, learn from it, and make intelligent decisions that enhance the creative process. AI tools can help YouTubers make amazing videos. Imagine having a virtual assistant that can suggest the best times to post, optimize your video titles, and even edit your footage. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your content better. These tools offer smart features. They make content creation easier and faster. With AI, you can automate repetitive tasks, leaving you more time to focus on the creative aspects of your work. It's like having an extra pair of hands that never get tired. AI can help you find new video ideas. It can analyze what's popular on YouTube. By understanding trends and viewer preferences, AI can suggest topics that are more likely to engage your audience. This means you can stay ahead of the curve and keep your content fresh. This helps you make videos that people actually want to watch. By leveraging AI, you can ensure that your content is relevant and appealing. It's like having a crystal ball that shows you what your audience wants before they even know it themselves. With AI, you can work smarter, not harder. You can focus on what you love, creating awesome content. Let AI handle the heavy lifting so you can unleash your creativity and produce videos that truly resonate with your audience. Being a YouTuber is awesome, but it's not always easy. YouTubers face challenges every day. One big challenge is creative block. It's hard to come up with fresh ideas all the time. Another challenge is time. YouTubers spend hours on research and planning. This takes away from time spent making videos. Wouldn't it be great to overcome these challenges? What if there was a tool that helped you find great ideas and save time? Introducing Spotter Studio, your ultimate AI-powered solution for content creation. This powerful tool is designed specifically for YouTubers, streamlining the entire process from ideation to publication. It leverages advanced AI technology to make content creation not only easier but also more efficient and effective. Spotter Studio is packed with amazing features that cater to every aspect of your content creation journey. One of the standout features is the Brainstorm tool, which helps you find new and exciting video ideas effortlessly. Simply enter a topic, and the tool does the rest, generating a plethora of creative ideas for you to explore. It suggests relevant and engaging ideas that are tailored to your niche and audience preferences. The Outliers feature is another game changer, showing you what's working for others in your niche. You can easily see which videos are getting the most views, helping you understand current trends and popular content. This insight is invaluable for understanding what your audience wants and tailoring your content accordingly. The Thumbnail and Title AI feature helps you create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that attract viewers. It uses sophisticated AI algorithms to suggest improvements, ensuring your content stands out. These enhancements help you get more clicks and views, boosting your channel's performance. The Project Management feature is designed to keep you organized and on track. You can plan your content calendar, set deadlines, and track your progress with ease, ensuring you never miss a beat. With Spotter Studio, you have all the tools you need to stay on top of your game and succeed in the competitive world of YouTube. Section 4. Try Spotter Studio free for 60 days. Spotter Studio offers a 60-day free trial. This means you get 2 full months to explore and utilize all the powerful tools and features that Spotter Studio has to offer. Imagine the possibilities you can unlock in that time. That's right, 60 days to try out all the amazing features. No credit card required. You can dive right in without any financial commitment, making it a risk-free opportunity to see how it can benefit you. This is the perfect opportunity to see how Spotter Studio can revolutionize your YouTube channel. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, the tools available can help you elevate your content to the next level. During the free trial, you'll have access to all the features. This includes advanced editing tools, analytics, and more. You can experiment with everything to see what works best for your content. You can use the Brainstorm tool to generate endless ideas. This tool is perfect for those moments when you're stuck and need a creative boost. It can help you come up with fresh, engaging content that your audience will love. You can analyze your competitors with the Outliers feature. This feature allows you to see what others in your niche are doing, helping you to stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about your content strategy. And you can create stunning thumbnails and titles with the AI-powered suggestions. These tools can help you attract more viewers and increase your channel's visibility. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to enhance your YouTube channel with Spotter Studio. Section 5. Unlock your YouTube potential. Spotter Studio is the secret weapon for YouTubers who want to succeed. It helps you overcome creative block, save time, and make better videos. The AI-powered features give you a competitive edge. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up for your free trial today. Start creating amazing content that your audience will love. Spotter Studio is here to help you achieve your YouTube dreams.